The credit climb, your path to financial freedom. In the journey towards financial well-being, a good credit score is your passport to a world of opportunities. It unlocks lower interest rates on loans, better credit card rewards, and even smoother rental applications. But what if you're just starting or need to rebuild your credit? That's where credit builder cards come in, your trusted companions on the climb to financial freedom. Demystifying credit builder cards, a simple solution. Credit builder cards might sound complicated, but they're really quite straightforward. Unlike traditional credit cards that offer a revolving credit line, credit builder cards require a security deposit up front. This deposit acts as collateral and typically matches your credit limit. Think of it as a training ground for responsible credit usage. How credit builder cards work: building credit, brick by brick. Credit builder cards are a fantastic tool for those looking to establish or improve their credit score. They are designed to help you build credit from the ground up, one step at a time. Here's the beauty of it. You use the card for everyday purchases, just like you would a regular credit card. Whether you're buying groceries, filling up your gas tank, or making an online purchase, these transactions are all part of the process. But here's the key difference. You're spending money you've already set aside as a security deposit. This deposit acts as a safety net for the credit card issuer, ensuring that you have the funds to cover your purchases. It's a way to demonstrate your financial responsibility. You then make monthly payments on your balance, and these positive payment activities are reported to the credit bureaus. This reporting is crucial because it shows that you're capable of managing credit responsibly. Over time, these positive reports can significantly boost your credit score. Each on-time payment is like adding a brick to your credit history, gradually building a strong foundation. Just like constructing a sturdy wall, building credit takes time and consistency. Every payment you make on time is another brick in that wall, leading to a solid credit history that can open doors to better financial opportunities in the future. Your step-by-step guide to credit confidence. Building credit can seem daunting, but with the right steps, you can navigate this journey with ease and assurance. Ready to embark on your credit building journey? Here's a simple guide to help you get started and stay on track. Whether you're new to credit or looking to improve your score, these steps will guide you towards financial confidence. 1. Research and compare. Explore different credit builder cards and compare their fees, features, and APRs. Take your time to understand the benefits and drawbacks of each option. Look for cards that offer low fees, reasonable interest rates, and rewards that match your spending habits. 2. Choose the right card. Select the card that aligns best with your needs and financial situation. Consider your spending habits and financial goals. If you travel frequently, a card with travel rewards might be ideal. If you're focused on paying down debt, look for a card with a low interest rate. 3. Apply with confidence. Complete the application process, providing accurate information. Double-check your details to avoid any errors that could delay your approval. Remember, honesty is crucial when filling out your application. 4. Make responsible purchases. Use your card for small, manageable expenses like gas or groceries. This helps you build a positive payment history without accumulating too much debt. Always aim to spend within your means and avoid unnecessary purchases. 5. Set up payment reminders. Never miss a payment by setting up automatic payments or reminders. Timely payments are crucial for building and maintaining a good credit score. Use technology to your advantage by setting up alerts on your phone or computer. And 6. Track your progress. Regularly check your credit report to monitor your progress and celebrate your wins. Keeping an eye on your credit report helps you spot any errors or fraudulent activity early. Celebrate your milestones, no matter how small, as each step brings you closer to your financial goals. Remember, building credit is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay patient and consistent with your efforts. Over time, you'll see your credit score improve, opening up more financial opportunities for you. Stay informed, stay disciplined, and most importantly, stay confident in your ability to manage your credit wisely. Witnessing the power of credit builder cards, real stories, real results. Countless individuals have transformed their credit scores using credit builder cards. Take Sarah, for example. She had limited credit history and struggled to get approved for an apartment. After using a credit builder card responsibly for a year, her score significantly improved, and she secured her dream apartment. These success stories highlight the tangible impact of these cards. Choosing the right card for you. A comparative look at the best options. In today's financial landscape, having the right credit card can make a significant difference in managing your finances effectively. Whether you're looking to build credit, earn rewards, or simply have a reliable card for everyday purchases, it's crucial to understand the various options available. With various credit builder cards available, it's essential to compare and choose the one that suits you best. Each card comes with its own set of features, benefits, and potential drawbacks. By taking the time to research and compare, you can find a card that aligns with your financial goals and lifestyle. Some popular options include Secured MasterCard from Capital One, known for its user-friendly interface and access to financial education resources. This card is particularly beneficial for those who are new to credit or looking to rebuild their credit history. The Capital One MasterCard offers a straightforward application process and provides tools to help you understand and improve your credit score. Discover its secured credit card, which offers cash-back rewards, allowing you to earn while you build credit. This card stands out for its generous cashback program, where you can earn rewards on every purchase. Additionally, Discover matches all the cash back you've earned at the end of your first year, making it an attractive option for those who want to maximize their rewards. And Chime Credit Builder Visa Credit Card, a unique option that lets you build credit with your Chime spending account. Unlike traditional credit cards, the Chime Credit Builder Visa has no annual fees, no interest, and no credit check to apply. It's designed to help you build credit safely and responsibly, with the added convenience of managing your account through the Chime mobile app. Carefully consider factors like fees, APRs, and potential rewards to make an informed decision. It's important to read the terms and conditions of each card carefully, as these details can significantly impact your overall experience. Look for cards with low or no annual fees, competitive interest rates, and rewards programs that match your spending habits. Consulting with a financial advisor can also provide valuable insights and help you choose the best card for your needs. By making an informed decision, you can enjoy the benefits of a credit card while building a strong financial foundation for the future. Avoiding common pitfalls, navigating the credit builder card landscape. While credit builder cards are valuable tools, it's crucial to avoid common pitfalls. Be wary of cards with exorbitant annual or monthly fees that can eat into your progress. Remember, building credit takes time. Avoid overspending and maintain a low credit utilization ratio. Your payment history is crucial, but so are other factors like credit mix and length of credit history. Beyond credit building. Transitioning to unsecured credit and beyond. As you diligently use your credit builder card and witness your score improve, you'll eventually graduate to unsecured credit cards. These cards offer higher credit limits, better rewards, and added perks. Transitioning strategically ensures continued credit growth. Taking control of your financial future. Long-term planning for success. Building good credit is a stepping stone to achieving your broader financial goals. Whether it's buying a home, starting a business, or securing a loan with favorable terms, a healthy credit score paves the way. Embrace long-term financial planning, budgeting, and saving to secure your financial future. Conclusion. Embracing a brighter financial future. Credit builder cards empower individuals to take control of their credit and unlock a world of financial possibilities. By understanding how these cards work, choosing the right one, and using it responsibly, you can pave the path towards a brighter financial future. Remember, building good credit is a journey, not a race. Embrace the process, celebrate your milestones, and watch as your financial well-being flourishes. Like, share, comment, and subscribe for more content like this.